everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. So if you have a SaaS product and you promote your product using Facebook lead ads, then this video is just for you. Imagine a new lead is generated and automatically the leads data is created as systematic record in Google Sheets. Yes, this can be done by simply creating a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. And you might be thinking the connection will be super hard. No, it's very easy, and in this video I will teach you how you can create this connection, that too without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So first of all, let me show you how this automation is going to work in real time. I will generate a test lead for Facebook lead ads using Meta's lead ads testing tool. So this is the lead gen form with the help of which I'm collecting my leads data. For my leads first name, I'll write over here as test. For the last name, I'll write over here as user44. For the email over here, I'll write it as test44@pabblytunes.com. Okay. And for the phone number, I will enter a dummy phone number. Then it is asking for the city, for which I'll write over here as what? Indore. Okay, and then click on this continue button. I'll change the phone number and click on this continue button as well as this submit button. Okay, as soon as I've done that, it says thanks, you're all set. As now this test lead has been generated, let me open my Google Sheets, and yes, you can see right over here the record is created in front of you. Name is test user44, email is test44@pabblytunes.com with this dummy phone number. As now you can see the response is added over here in my Google Sheets. This is how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. And now without wasting any further of our time, I will dive into the creation of this automation. Open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect, and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, do not worry, sign up for free from here and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. And if you like using Pabbly Connect and its features and you want to purchase the plan of Pabbly, simply check out the code given on the screen and also add it in the description section below, with the help of which you will get instant discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime deals with Pabbly that will help you to get unlimited tasks and automate your workflows in your business. Okay, I am already a user, so I will sign into my Pabbly Connect account from here. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this Access Now button, and Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. To create an automation, I will create a workflow from here. I want my workflow to be created with the new beta method version from here, so I'll select it. For the name of my workflow, I will give it as Add Facebook Leads to Google Sheets for SaaS businesses. Okay, folder, these are the folders from which I'll select workflows folder and click on this create button. As soon as I've done that, the workflow is going to be created inside our Pabbly Connect account, where you will find two major steps: trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. I will set up my trigger right over here, in which for my trigger application I will select it as Facebook lead ads, and the event is going to be new lead instant. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new one. For that, click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. Okay, now over here this is the account with the help of which I have created my Facebook page. I will continue with this account from here, as well as I'm going to click on this continue button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. After the connection has been created successfully, firstly we need to select the Facebook page with the help of which you're advertising your ads. Okay, I have created a Facebook page over here in the name of Pabbly Connect. Just for the test, I've created this page right over here. So for the page, I will select the same page, search Pabbly Connect and select it right here. Okay, and then it is asking for me to select the lead gen form. I have created a lead ads form in the name of new form. So from this drop down, I will select this form from here. I want the response to be simple, so I'll select simple and click on this save and send test request button. And it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I will do is I will generate a test lead again with the help of Meta's lead ads testing tool and check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of the test lead being generated or not. It says to create a new lead, please delete this one. As I want to generate another lead, I will delete the existing lead from here. In order to generate another test lead, delete the existing lead first. Okay, it says the lead has been deleted. Now refresh this page. Okay, after refreshing the page, you will again come to the Meta's lead ads testing tool, where we have to first select the page. For the page, I will select it as Pabbly Connect, and for the form, I'll select over here as new form. Click on this preview form button. Then it is asking for all these details, in which first it is asking for my first name, for which I'll write over here as best. Last name I'll write over here as account. For the email I'll write it as best@pabblytunes.com. And for the phone number I will write a dummy mobile number. And for the city I'll write over here as Delhi. And click on this continue button as well as on this submit button to generate the test lead. Okay, the test lead has been generated. As now this test lead has been generated, over here in the workflow, the response will arrive in few seconds. You will see the response has arrived. First name is best, last name is account, email is best@pabblytunes.com. This is the phone number, city is Delhi. Okay. So you can see right over here, automatically the trigger has captured the response right here. As now the response has been captured in the trigger, our Facebook setup has now been done. Now I want to add the lead data where? In my Google Sheets. For that, simply I'm going to add an action step, in which for the action application I will select over here as what? Google Sheets. Event is going to be add new row. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new one. For that, click on the sign in with Google button. Now this is the account with the help of which I've created my spreadsheet. So I'll select this account from here, and then it is going to ask for the access of this account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Okay, next we have to select the spreadsheet in which I want to create the record of my leads. I have created a spreadsheet in the name of leads details and the sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I will select the details from here. Next it is asking for email, name, phone number and the city. These are the headers that you will create in your spreadsheet. It is going to appear like this in Pabbly Connect's workflow. Okay. Now in order to add the data in these fields, we are going to map the data. Simply click on the field, add a slash. You will see previous step is going to appear. Click on it. It is asking for my lead's name. The name is first name space. I will search for the name again and map the data of the last name. As I've selected the data from my previous response, the data in this field has been mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in this previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the email address, I will map the data of the phone number, as well as I will map the data of the city right here. Okay. Now as I've mapped all the details, I will click on this save and send test request button, and I have received this response, which is a positive response, and in Google Sheets you can see the record has been created. Name was best account, email is best@pabblytunes.com with the dummy phone number and the city as Delhi. Okay. So as now this record has been created, this means Facebook lead ads is now been connected to Google Sheets for your SaaS product business. So now whenever a new lead is going to be generated for your SaaS product, automatically the leads data is going to be created as systematic record in Google Sheets. Okay. So go ahead and create this automation right away to automate this repetitive task. Now with the help of this automation, your leads record is going to be created without any errors and mistakes and on time. You will not miss out on any leads, and you can share this Google Sheets with your team members so that they will have the knowledge of all the leads that are generated. Okay. So this is how you create this amazing automation. And if you want to use this template, this exact workflow that I've created in this video, you can check out the workflow link in the description section. That's the template of this workflow that I've created. Okay. If you have questions or doubts, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.